Hello everyone. Social Security is paid out on Wednesday, June 3rd. Who benefit? Good news for millions of Americans. A new round of Social Security payment is arriving on June 3rd, 2026. But not everyone will receive a payment on that date. So who qualify? How much could you receive? And when you are the other June payment schedule? Let's find out. The Social Security Administration has officially begun its June 2026 payment cycle. More than 71 million Americans depend on Social Security benefit each month to help cover essential expenses like housing, groceries, utility, and medical costs. The next major payment date is Wednesday, June 3rd, but this payment is only for a specific group of beneficiaries. Who gets paid on June 3rd? There are two groups scheduled to receive Social Security payment on June 3rd. First, people who started receiving Social Security benefits before May 1997. These long term beneficiaries follow a different payment schedule that most receipts and typically receive their benefit on the third day of each month. Second, beneficiaries who receive both Social Security and Supplemental Security Income, commonly known as SSI. These receipts receive SSI and Social Security on separate date each month. SSI payments. SSI receipts are scheduled to receive their June payment on Monday, June 1st. Unlike Social Security retirement benefit, SSI is a needs-based program designed for low-income seniors and people who disability who have limited income and resources. The average SSI payment currently stands at approximately $738 per month. Average Social Security benefit. According to SSA data, average monthly payments vary by benefit type. Retired workers receive an average of about $2,026 per month. Disability beneficiaries receive approximately $1,493 per month. Survivor beneficiaries receive around $1,626 per month. Actual payment amount depend on work history, lifetime earning, and eligibility rules. June payment schedule. If you do not qualify for the June 3rd payment, your payment date will likely depend on your birthdays. Birthday between the 1st and 10th are paid on June 3rd. Birthday between the 11th and 20th are paid on June 17th. Birthdays between the 21 and 31 are paid on June 24th. If you receive benefits based on someone else's work record, such as a spouse or survivor benefit, the SSA use that person's birth date to determine the payment schedule. Social Security remains a critical source of income of millions of Americans. Make sure you know your payment date and check your direct deposit information to avoid delay. Are you receiving a Social Security payment on June 3rd? Let us know in the comment and subscribe for more Social Security update, payment schedule, and retirement news.